the retrofit chairs, we wanted to show the potential of using existing airplane seats that we got from our partners at Etihad Engineering. The seat was already end of life cycle, it got taken out of the airplane and normally it would go into waste. Through the use of computational design and software tools, we were therefore able to come up with a very contemporary looking design of a seat that is actually based on the old airline seat. By having a 3D printer in your hangar, you can print spare parts or cabin parts on demand locally.